Hello friends, so in this video we are going to cover data interpretation part of GRE Quant syllabus. This is the second video on this topic, and before starting this video let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda. I am former student of IISc Bangalore MTech Mechanical, and in GATE exam I have secured AR66 in mechanical paper. So we have covered algebra portion, we have covered arithmetic part, geometry part, applied math part, and now we are discussing data interpretation part. So here is our question on screen. Right, there might be one table, there might be one graph, so we have to read the data given to us in the question. So what is title of this data? Homes sold in country T from 2009 to 2013. Number of homes sold. So in this table they have given exact number. In 2009 503 homes were sold. In 2010 151 homes were sold. In 2011 410 90 homes were sold. In 2012 410 homes were sold. In 2013 290 homes were sold. So data is given to us, and in the graph they have given mean and median prices of homes sold. What is average price of homes sold? What is median price, right? We had covered this median in earlier video. Median is physically middle observation when you are arranging numbers in ascending order, and mean is arithmetic mean value, sum of the numbers divided by total numbers. So when they have represented mean with dotted line, right? They have represented mean with dotted line and median with solid line. So in 2009 we can say median price between this, we can say $175,000, right? So data is given to us, dotted line for mean value and solid line for median value. These are given data for these 5 years. Okay. You can go through the data, you can just read the data, and you can see what is difference between mean and median. They can ask you any question from the data. So let us read the question first. By approximately what percent did the median price of homes sold in country T? We are discussing about country T. So by what percentage did the median price, we have to question median price of homes decrease from 2011 to 2000. So for 2011, what is median price of homes sold? Decrease. They have mentioned decrease, and solid line is for median. So for 2011, this is median $200,000, or we can say $2 lakh. For 2012, what is median price? That is $1,50,000. Is a decrement. We have to find percentage decrement. So what will be percentage decrement? Yes. Right? Yes. Final value minus initial divided by initial into 100, right? So I think verbally we can calculate this. What is final? We have to just put the values, right? So I'm writing answer over here. Percentage decrement, right? It is a decrement, so you have to take mode, right? Final minus initial will be negative value, so we can take a mode, or you can take initial minus final. Percentage can't be negative, we are taking positive. Decrement itself is showing negative sign, so we won't be using negative sign once again. So we can just put the values, we can take mode, or we can subtract initial minus final. We have to just put the values. These are the values given to us divided by initial into 100. So this will be 25%. Good answer. So option C will be correct answer for this question. Okay, so let us move on the next question. As I told, there will be 3 to 4 questions or 2 to 4 questions from one table or given data or graph. Country T collected a tax equal to 3% of the price of each home sold in the country in 2009. 9. Country T collected 3% of the price of each home as a tax. Approximately how much did country T collect in tax from all homes sold in 2009? So we have to use average price or mean price of home, right? So for one home, if we are getting $100, suppose for one home is sold at $100, so government at country T will collect 3% of 100, that will be $3, right? So we have to focus on 2009. So in 2009, 503 homes were sold, and average price per home in 2009 is this, right? Dotted line is for average price. So one home will be sold at this price. So what will be total this we can say price collected by selling these homes. So $250,000 for one home. So multiply by 503. So total price of homes. What will be total price of homes? Yes, we can simply calculate this total price of homes sold. Number of homes is 503. Yes or no? And per home price is $250,000. We are multiplying. What will be tax? Tax will be 3% of this value. What will be tax? You have to find tax collected in country D in 9. So 3% of this value. 3 into this divided by 100. Divided by 100, and we have to find approximate value. So what is your answer? So this with this. So you can use calculation part. So it is around 37 lakhs, right? Around 37. Right? So we have to choose closest option. Approximately we can say, because so option A is incorrect. Option B is also incorrect. Option D is also incorrect. C is also incorrect. Option E is correct. 38 lakhs. You have received 37 lakhs. So it is close to 38 lakhs. Okay, so option A is correct answer for this question. And let us move on to the next question. There is one more question from the same table and graph. Which of the following is closest to the mean of the prices of 700 homes sold in 2012 and 2013 combined? What is the mean price of homes sold in 2012 and 2013 combined? So in 2012 there are 410 homes sold. In 2013 there are 290 homes sold. So if we will add this, so there will be around 700 homes, right? So to find average price, so we want mean value. So for 2012, what is mean price? It is, sorry, it is, yes, mean. So it is $250,000, and for 2013 it is $3 lakh. Right? So we have to find average of combined. So average will be between these two values, and all the options are between these two values only. In 2012, we have sold 410 homes. So we have to find average. We have to find price of these 700 homes, price of these homes sold in 12, and prices of these homes sold in 13. We have to add this and divide by 700 to find average, right? So what is our average? We have to find amount collected by selling these homes. So in 2012 we have sold 410 homes. So 410 into average price of one home, that is 2,50,000, right? Plus we have sold 290 homes. Average price per home is around 3 lakh rupees. This is sum of amount. We have to find average of entire value. Total 700 observations will be there. We have to divide by 700 and get our, right. You can do this calculation and can get your answer. You can simply calculate this value, right? Let's see what is correct answer. So option A is 2,65,000, option B is 2,70,000, 2,75,000, 80. So we have to choose closest option, right? They have mentioned, yes, they have mentioned, so we can choose closest option, right? So option B is correct or option C is correct? Yes. We'll get this value, then B approximately. Yes. Option B is correct answer for this. Also easy. You have to locate the values and you have to just the values and simplify the equation. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in our upcoming video.